If you're looking for an adults-only paradise in the Dominican Republic that combines luxury with stunning waterfront views, TRS Cana Waterfront and Marina Hotel might just be your perfect escape. This five-star resort, part of the prestigious Palladium Hotel Group, opened its doors in 2019 and has been making waves ever since. Located in the upscale Cana area of Punta Cana, this property offers something truly special: direct marina access combined with Caribbean luxury. The resort's contemporary architecture and elegant interiors create an atmosphere that's both sophisticated and relaxing, making it an ideal choice for couples, honeymooners, and anyone seeking a tranquil yet vibrant Caribbean experience. Let's start with the accommodations, because honestly, this is where TRS Cana really shines. The resort offers 4 distinct types of junior suites, each spanning approximately 60 square meters, which is pretty generous by Caribbean standards. The Junior Suite waterfront serves as the entry-level option, though calling it entry-level feels almost insulting given its luxury amenities. These suites feature king-size beds, smart TVs, Nespresso machines, and those little touches that make a difference like bathrobes and slippers. The bathrooms are particularly impressive with marble finishes and rain showers that make you feel like you're in a high-end spa. What sets these apart is the balcony or terrace offering marina, ocean, or garden views. And trust me, waking up to a marina view with luxury yachts bobbing in crystal-clear water is quite the experience. For those wanting pool access without leaving their room, the Junior Suite Swim Up is a game-changer. Imagine rolling out of bed and literally swimming before your morning coffee. It's as indulgent as it sounds. The Junior Suite Ocean View offers panoramic ocean vistas that stretch to the horizon, perfect for those Instagram-worthy sunset shots. Finally, the Junior Suite Jacuzzi takes luxury up another notch with a private terrace jacuzzi, because sometimes you need your own personal spa experience under the Caribbean stars. Moving on to the culinary scene, TRS Cana takes dining seriously, with 4 distinct venues that cater to different moods and occasions. La Cana by Il Circo brings authentic Italian fine dining to the Caribbean, and it's not just throwing some pasta together and calling it Italian. We're talking truffle risotto, fresh seafood platters, and homemade desserts that would make your Italian grandmother proud. The restaurant operates dinner service from 6:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. with a smart casual dress code, so you can look good while indulging in some serious Italian comfort food. El Gaucho Steakhouse is where meat lovers find their heaven. This Argentinian steakhouse serves premium cuts including ribeye and filet mignon that are cooked to perfection. There's something almost therapeutic about watching skilled chefs work their magic on high-quality beef while you sip wine and enjoy the evening ambience. The market offers a more casual international buffet experience with live cooking stations, fresh sushi, and a variety of Caribbean, Asian, and European dishes. It's perfect for those mornings when you want a little bit of everything, or when you can't decide what you're in the mood for. The Mojito Bar rounds out the dining options with specialty cocktails and light snacks. As the name suggests, their mojitos are legendary, but they also craft other tropical cocktails that perfectly capture that Caribbean vacation vibe. The bar operates from 10 a.m. to midnight, making it perfect for everything from morning coffee to late-night cocktails. The pool and beach facilities at TRS Cana are designed to maximize that tropical paradise experience. The resort features 3 distinct pools, each serving a different purpose and mood. The Infinity Pool is the showstopper, stretching about 25 meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, creating that seamless blend between pool and ocean horizon that makes for incredible photos. The adults-only pool offers a more intimate setting for those seeking tranquility, while the swim-up pool connects directly to certain suites for ultimate convenience. All pools operate from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. with full poolside service including food, drinks, and towel service. The swim-up bar is particularly popular during afternoon hours when guests want to cool off while enjoying tropical cocktails. The beach itself stretches approximately 300 meters of pristine white sand meeting calm turquoise waters. The beach service is comprehensive, offering complimentary loungers, umbrellas, and towel service, plus beachside food and drink delivery, so you never have to leave your perfect spot. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling, with equipment readily available. The calm waters make it perfect for both experienced water sports lovers and beginners who want to try something new during their vacation. When it comes to activities and entertainment, TRS Cana strikes a nice balance between relaxation and engagement. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment, operating from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. for those who want to maintain their workout routine even on vacation. Scheduled yoga and Pilates classes add a wellness component, while personal training is available for those wanting more focused fitness attention. The resort's entertainment schedule includes live music 3 nights a week, themed cocktail nights, and cultural performances that showcase Dominican culture without feeling forced or touristy. Seasonal events like Christmas and New Year's gala dinners add special touches for holiday travelers. The marina access opens up additional activities like yacht charters and fishing excursions, though these typically require separate arrangements and fees. The spa and wellness facilities deserve special mention because they truly elevate the TRS Cap Cana experience. Operating from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., the spa offers a comprehensive menu of treatments including massages, facials, body wraps, and hydrotherapy. The signature treatments incorporate Caribbean-inspired elements using local ingredients, creating a unique spa experience that connects you to the destination. The facilities include sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounges that provide a complete wellness journey. The spa's design emphasizes tranquility and natural elements, making it easy to forget the outside world exists. Advanced booking is recommended, especially during peak season, as the spa's reputation means appointments fill up quickly. Since TRS Cap Cana is an adults-only property, there are no kids' clubs or family-specific activities. This design choice creates a more serene, sophisticated atmosphere that appeals to couples and adults seeking a peaceful escape from daily life. The absence of children allows for a more refined ambience throughout the property, from quiet pool areas to intimate dining experiences. The location in Cap Cana provides easy access to several notable attractions. Marina Cap Cana sits just half a kilometer away, offering upscale shopping, dining, and yacht watching opportunities. Juanillo Beach, located 5 kilometers from the resort, provides an alternative beach experience with different scenery and local vendors. Hoyo Azul Lagoon, about 10 kilometers away, offers a unique natural swimming experience in a cenote-like setting with incredibly blue water surrounded by limestone cliffs. The resort can arrange tours to this attraction, making it easy to explore beyond the property. Punta Cana International Airport is conveniently located just 20 kilometers away, meaning a 20 to 30-minute transfer time that doesn't eat into your vacation time. TRS Cap Cana consistently receives high ratings across multiple platforms, with Booking.com giving it 9.0 out of 10 and TripAdvisor rating it 4.5 out of 5 stars. Guests consistently praise the staff's friendliness and professionalism, excellent food quality, and the overall luxury experience. The most common positive feedback centers around the exceptional service, stunning views, and the perfect atmosphere for romantic getaways. Some guests have noted occasional noise from marina activities at night and limited vegetarian options in certain restaurants as areas for improvement. The hotel management appears responsive to feedback, with frequent and professional responses to guest concerns on review platforms. What truly sets TRS Cap Cana apart from its competitors is the unique combination of marina access, adults-only exclusivity, and the variety of suite options including swim-up pools and private jacuzzis. The waterfront location provides a different perspective from typical beachfront resorts, offering both marina and ocean views. The property's relatively recent opening means everything feels fresh and modern, while the Palladium Hotel Group's experience ensures professional service standards. The resort's sustainability initiatives, including energy-efficient lighting and local sourcing, appeal to environmentally conscious travelers. While TRS Cap Cana doesn't focus heavily on conference facilities, the property can accommodate small business gatherings and special events, particularly weddings and celebrations. The intimate size and sophisticated atmosphere make it suitable for exclusive corporate retreats or milestone celebrations. Guest experience highlights frequently mention surprise room upgrades, personalized service touches like remembering drink preferences, and staff going above and beyond to celebrate special occasions. Many honeymoon couples share stories of complimentary champagne, romantic dinner setups, and staff who remember their names throughout their stay. These personal touches create lasting memories that extend far beyond the physical amenities. The combination of luxury accommodations, exceptional dining, comprehensive facilities, and outstanding service makes TRS Cap Cana a standout choice for adults seeking a sophisticated Caribbean escape with both relaxation and refinement. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.